Alright, this is at the Beachside Resort. And it's in Panama City Beach. And we got some elevators here. And there was a grasshopper. Oh, look, yeah, there he is. There's a grasshopper just chilling. Check it out. But, so that's pretty cool. He actually jumped onto my pant leg. Kind of like that, but instead of on the door, it went on top. But yeah. Looks like he's trying to get in that room. Down. Take care. Bagby elevator. Smells interesting in here. I don't even know what the smell is like, but it's an interesting smell. What is this braille? It's kind of like a Kone braille, and it's very rusty. Okay, I'm curious. No, it's not. Oh, man. Wait. It's coming down, I hear. Interesting. That is a rusty door. Oh my God. Interesting. Oh, that goes out there. That must be why the entrance is on the second floor. It's on like a hill. This might have a good motor. Let's hear it. Or not. We'll get a view quick. Let those people go down. All right. Well, let me call it and we'll keep looking at the view. There's indicators on each floor, but not the first floor. There's that one comes. That indicator's blocked by the door, or by this, probably to hide some sort of pipes or something. But look, what a lovely view. Oh, this one has this little padding in it. That was not in the other one. Wow.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem. Have a good night.
You too.
Anyway, that would be it.